This is Wildstang's 2012 landing gear system, which was the original system for crossing the bump before the Uber accumulator. The entire mechanism would be stored in an upright position, like so. And when we wanted to cross the bump, the two cylinders would fire, rotating the entire mechanism out and below the frame of the robot, lifting the front wheels off the ground about 4.5 inches. The entire system rides on 2 Omni wheels, so the robot would actually be driving on its rear 2 wheels and 2 Omni wheels, which actually made side-to-side rotational turning fairly easy. It would still be hanging out below the frame of the robot when we tried to cross the bump. We had 2 sets of light sensors with tabs that would break the beam of the light sensor when the bump hit them, causing the software to control the cylinders to immediately contract the landing gear out of the way. The entire mechanism was mounted to the back of the robot on a 1-inch aluminum pipe, mounted into pivots on the actual frame of the robot. The entire wheelie bar would be powered by this 1 1/16 cylinder, which puts out about 100 pounds of force to lower the bridge to the ground. We'd simply drive up with the back of our robot, lower this, and drive straight out. The only major issue with this actual mechanism was the fact that because it's constructed out of 4 C-channels, there's only so many ways you can assemble a mechanism. So occasionally the bridge would get hooked on one of these C-channels and not want to be lowered all the way, causing a jam. Also, in case of a rear impact, the entire mechanism would jam inside the frame, bending all sorts of things that it was mounted to, as well as shearing off this valve on the end of the cylinder, causing massive air leaks and total destruction.